You're watching Fixing Up My Shit. Here is your host, Dave.O.
Hey, it's Dave, and I'm fixing up my shit. Today, we're going to be opening up and setting up a 4-foot traditional swing set. I had a metal swing in my backyard. It rotted away. I still have the frame, and I'm going to be putting this as a replacement. Let's check it out. All right, we opened the box, and now we're about to pull what's inside the box out. Alright, so here's everything. We've got this piece here. It's got all the hardware on the back here. Got this piece here. Assuming this is the back. Smells real nice. And I'm sure these are parts for the arm. And then you've got instructions. You've got a wood care instructions. And you've just got a notice and the customer service information. All right, well, we're going to set it up and paint it and put it up. Thanks. We opened up the bag that had all the bits in it, and this is what we got out of it. We got the 2 chains. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. 2 of them are longer than the other ones. I believe the longer ones are 70 and the shorter ones are 59. You've got these here. The chains come with these, and you're going to need a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's put it together. Okay, you've got 2 sets of bolts. These are 70mm, these are 59mm. The 59mm go down here, the 70mm go up here. So we're going to start putting this together, and I'm going to start with the 59mm. Just tightening up to a little bit hand tight. That's about all I want to go with that. Okay, got the 70mm bolt. I'm going to put it through the chain, through the arm, through the chair. There's a washer on the back, and then the nut. let's tighten it down. Make sure this is up because it's going to get hard to pull that up straight later. Okay, this end is going to go through this assembly like this. So let's put that together and hook it up to the chain. There it goes. Okay. A little washer and the nut. Alright, with a couple more turns. And kind of sealed that piece into the wood by pulling down on it hard enough so the chain won't be able to escape unless I unscrew the bottom. Let's do the other side. Okay, we're going to do the other side. This is the 59mm bolt. Wiggle that in. Got our washer. We got our nut. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Once again, putting on the arm, slide it through here, right through there. You're gonna want to keep that top link rotated to the top as you tie everything down. And start ratcheting. Alright, this is what this is going to look like. Put your chain through the hook, your washer. Put your washer and your nut. All right, well, we're ready to hang it. It's all together. Really wasn't much to it. I would say even an amateur could do this by himself. We're gonna hook these up to the swing stand and let's see what it looks like. So here's the end product. We worked last night to put it together so we would have it ready for today. It's a little bit narrower than the swing that I used to have here, but I'm sure it'll be just fine. It's a good looking swing. I've already sat my heavy butt on it and it held. It held up nicely. So yeah, I highly recommend this product. It looks really sharp. I'm going to paint up the frame with a little bit of a whitewash and it's going to look great back here. All right, thanks.
Thanks for watching Fixing Up My Shit with Dave.O. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below.